Aligrace Hair Review. Is this the best human hair wig? So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll be doing a review right here with Aligrace Hair. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, if you want to get special discounts or special promos, if you're going to buy wigs right here from Aligrace Hair, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So according to Trustpilot right here, Aligrace Hair has a 4.5 star rating out of 5 stars and has 403 reviews. So here are some of the reviews right here. So we have one from Dosimao Priscilla. So I'm extremely satisfied with my experience shopping at Aligrace. After seeing one of my favorite influencers promote the brand, I decided to give it a try, especially since I was looking for an affordable everyday wig. I ordered a 24-inch 5x5 closure wig and I absolutely love wearing it. After 2 months of use, it's actually become even more beautiful than when I first received it. The lace is stunning. It's a true HD lace that blends seamlessly and the length is accurate, possibly even a bit longer than expected. So the hair itself is lovely, though I feel the quality could be slightly improved. That said, I'm still very pleased with my purchase overall. It was definitely worth it. Thank you, Aligrace. So we have another one right here from Shanique. So beautiful hair, love, love, love. I received my hair within 4 days. Fast shipping, free shipping. I purchased a 20-inch Brazilian 4x4 straight wig and I love it. Never have I received hair that is silk and shed free. I will definitely be purchasing from Aligrace Hair again. So get your hair, gals. You won't find any better. Thank you, Aligrace. So here are some of the reviews or good reviews right here from Aligrace. So here are some of the wigs right here that Aligrace has to offer. So again, if you want to get special discounts or special promos, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So Aligrace has like these wigs right here, like the Brazilian 4x4 lace closure straight human hair wigs for $89.82, the lace curly Brazilian human hair wigs for $98, and a lot more. So make sure to check all of these out. So that's pretty much it for the review right here for Aligrace wigs. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.